Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make upma. Upma is a delicious and a healthy option for breakfast and even as an evening snack. So let's begin. We will begin by roasting the rava. Here I have taken 1 cup of rava. The rava needs to be roasted on low flame till it becomes fragrant and a pale color appears on the rava. Once pale color appears on the rava, we will keep it aside to cool down. In the same pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 teaspoon ghee. Add mustard seeds and let it splutter. We will now add peanuts and let it fry. We will now add 1 teaspoon urad dal, one teaspoon chana dal, and 6 to 7 cashew nuts, and we will saute them for a minute or two. We will make sure all the ingredients are cooked well. Once our dal are cooked well, now we will add 4 to 5 curry leaves. Finely chopped green chilies. One inch of grated ginger. We will saute this for a minute or two till the ginger is cooked. Now we'll start adding all our veggies. I'm starting by adding finely chopped onions. If our veggies are chopped very finely, they go really well with the upma. We will saute the onions till they turn transparent. Now we'll add about 1 tablespoon of chopped carrot. One finely chopped tomato. And finally we'll add green peas. You can add or less the vegetables as per your likings. We will saute all the vegetables for a minute or two and then we'll add water. Adding water is an important step. If you add less water to the upma, the rava will not be cooked well. But if you add more water, it will be very sticky. Add salt as per taste and a pinch of sugar. I've added juice of half a lemon. Let this delicious concoction come to a boil. Now we'll add coriander. You can even add it in the end, but I just feel adding coriander along with the water just enhances the taste of the upma. Now slowly add in the roasted rava. If you add the rava in one go, it will form lumps, and that is why you need to add it very slowly, one at a time. You will notice the roasted rava will use up all the water and it will start to thicken slowly. Finally, add in 1 to 2 tablespoons of ghee. You will notice the sides of the rava separating from the vessel. That is when you know it is done. So guys, that's it with this recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Please tag me on Instagram if you recreate this recipe at home. Thank you. Bye.